Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to fix sync error in a Google account on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to check your internet connection, you guys. A weak or unstable connection is a common cause of sync problems. And then the second way is you can enable automatic sync. You just have to go to your settings first. And now in the settings, you just have to scroll it down and go into users and accounts. If you wanna automatic sync it, you just have to tap on the button here beside the automatically sync app data. And now tap on OK. And if you wanna sync it manually, here I'm gonna non-activate first for the automatically sync. I'm gonna tap on OK, and now we're going to the Google, and after you just have to choose the Google account that you wanna sync it. Here I'm gonna open it, and after we'll see here the 3-point icon here at the top right in the corner. Just tap on it. Now you just have to tap on sync now in this pop-up, yeah guys. This will be manually syncs. And now if you already sync it manually or automatically, you just have to restart your device, I guess. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.